How to use Allianz Home Insurance Belgium properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Home Insurance is a popular choice in Belgium, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or paying too much. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and repair costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Regularly check that your policy reflects the true replacement value, including any renovations or valuable items. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Allianz policies include personal liability coverage, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another costly mistake. Renovations, moving, or acquiring new valuable items can change your coverage needs. Not notifying Allianz may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on discounts. Allianz offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security devices, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Allianz Home Insurance Belgium. Ensure your coverage matches your home's current value. Maintain sufficient liability protection. Update your policy regularly. Take advantage of discounts and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.